wind is blowing like crazy. It's about to rain. I'm excited. Maybe catch some water and see how this stuff go down. So yeah, this thing is, you get an idea how the wind is going. They coming with their dad to get some dirt. Say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Nigga here say get some dirt.
Get some dirt.
Some dirt. The wind is blowing pretty hard, guys. Pretty hard. So it only rained a little bit. I want to see, did anything come out? Alright, so we got this dripping. Let's see what's actually coming out the spout, which is right here. Oh, bear with me, guys. Uh-oh, just a little bit. It's actually a lot less, maybe because it's not raining hard, but this that's coming out of here, I would rather it be coming out of here, this pipe. So I guess that's just a good indication, guys, that, I mean, it stopped raining, so I'm gonna get another video. That's just a good indication that you still want something up under your spout, even if you have one of these kits, just to capitalize on everything. Let's go check the other side out. So this is the side that I was talking about that usually catch a lot of water. And as you can see, this is kicking. It's kicking pretty good. So, I don't know if you guys can see the bucket's at an angle. And when it overfilled, it will actually dump into the 5-gallon bucket. So I'm excited. I hope it rains pretty hard tonight. It's thundering. I need the clouds to pour down. I'm excited, guys. It's raining, lightning. It's about 12 o'clock at night. I'm gonna get back in this house. All right, guys, this is the results from last night. Utilizing this, filled this 5-gallon bucket up. But more importantly, as you can see, it missed. It's leaking that way instead of this way. So the bucket really didn't get all that it should. But of course, this is filled. Then it overflowed in this 5-gallon bucket. So let's go check the other side. And on this side, perfection. As you can see, mosquitoes. As you can see, it's still leaking, dripping into this 5-gallon bucket, and of course, overflowing. And this is what I got out of there to make space to be able to collect some more water in there. Once again, this is why you need a bigger container for a water catchment system, so you can capitalize on every drop of the water that's coming off of your roof. So I just want to share that with you guys. Bigger containers coming soon, and I'll keep you guys updated. You guys be safe. Get us some water and some dirt. Dirt, people, dirt. Later.